Welcome to Create, Cook, and Talk. I'm Shantae.
I'm Kaylee.
What are we cooking today?
We're making chicken waffles.
Do we have someone special here?
And we have my boyfriend Matthew's now, girl.
Okay, it's really Matthew White, and you think you want to say that on the phone?
Matthew's White and Matthew.
But Matthew's like family, so Matthew, welcome Matthew!
Hello, everyone. I am so glad to be here on Create, Cook, and Talk because my father has teaching me how to cook food the right way, and I will do the same for you by making your dreams come true.
All right. Okay, so Matthew Matthew requested some soul food. So as we were searching for soul food, some of the recipes were a little bit complicated, but then we came across chicken and waffles, and we thought, ooh, that sounds yummy. We could make chicken and waffles. So the little fun facts about chicken and waffles is that, did you know, I thought it's kind of like a new little trend, but it's actually been around since 1700.
I didn't know
Right.
that. Yeah.
Did you know
That is a long time ago.
Yeah, a long time ago. And did you also know that it was, there's two versions of chicken and waffles. I didn't know that either. In the version we like, the soul food kind, right, is like breakfast.
Right.
Come up a little bit. Is like it's with like we have for breakfast, right? With syrup and
Absolutely.
and butter, right? And the chicken. But the Pennsylvania Dutch do it with like, it's almost like a stew and gravy that they pour on top of it. So that would be yummy too.
Mamma mia.
But we're gonna do the soul food kind, right?
Ooh,
we
absolutely.
we are going to make
Southern style.
Southern style and souls, fill our souls, right?
Right.
Okay, so
So we have.
wait 1 second, babe. We bought just in advance to make it easier. We bought the fried chicken, and we'll show that later. But we just thought we'd demonstrate since we have 3 cooks in the kitchen, right? That we're gonna have to maneuver
Absolutely.
around. That we would just make the waffles for you. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna have them put it in the blender, and then we'll mix it up. Okay, so let's just tell the ingredients. Flour. 2 cups of flour.
2 cups of flour.
We have 3
3
eggs.
3 eggs.
We have
Baking soda. Oh, that's baking soda. This is baking powder.
Baking powder.
Okay, so 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 a teaspoon of baking soda, and this is
salt.
that's sugar,
Sugar.
and
milk.
Milk.
And
And finally sour cream.
sour
Sour
cream. Okay, so now I'm just gonna kind of stand over here and hold this, but
So
can you put that in and then let Matt? Okay.
All you have to do is pour.
Okay, you got that now.
And
Let Matthew put the other dry ingredients in. Kaylee, you step over.
Absolutely.
And Matthew, why don't you put the sugar in?
You got it.
Okay, that's
The
sugar.
flour goes first, the sugar goes second.
Okay, and then you can put in either one of those. That's the
Baking powder. And also,
Baking
last but not least, the baking
So
soda.
those are considered what? The dry
The 4 main ingredients.
and the dry ingredients, right? Okay.
Absolutely.
So now I just stirred that up a little bit, but now who wants to do the eggs or the milk?
I do
You want to do which one?
the eggs.
Okay, so
And
you
Matthew
And I'll
will
do the milk.
Okay, so Matthew can do the milk.
Mhm.
Oh, we got to get some of that out. It kind of didn't come out. So
Oh, okay. That's okay. All of us are still learning.
that's right. All of us are still learning. Woo!
And also,
That's the
Matthew-
3 eggs.
here
Now
comes
it's
the
1 cup
goat
of milk.
milk.
Not goat milk, just regular milk.
Oh, I thought it was made from goats, but it's made from cows.
Okay, so wait. Now who's going to do the
Matthew will put
Sour cream.
cream?
in
Okay,
there.
Matthew, can you use the spatula and
Sure.
and
Can you
that
put
is
it
one.
on?
Okay, that's 1 cup of sour cream. So we're just going to use all of it. Okay.
All of it
Yes.
in one piece.
All of it. Well, however you want to get it in there.
Absolutely.
Now, I thought it would be easier to do it in the blender because then we're going to pour it onto the waffle iron, right?
Right, because it is just like making a smoothie. It is just like making a milkshake.
Right.
But with chicken and waffles, you can make it in a blender.
Right. We can make the batter in the blender, right? The pancake, the waffle batter.
Absolutely, Miss
Okay. You get it in
Shante.
there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All
right.
is well.
All is well. Okay. So now I'm going to put that in there. We're going to put on our blender
And we
and mix it up.
Yep.
Does anybody get scared of the noises, or we're okay?
We're
I'm okay with that.
You're okay with that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I just love the noise of the blending machine.
You do?
Mhm.
Okay, so hold on, Kay. I don't have it plugged in. Now wait, we gotta make sure we have it on. We gotta have it plugged in. We wanna have it off. And can you guys see? Should we show the audience what we're doing?
Yes, we can, Miss Shantae.
Yeah.
We can show the audience what we're doing.
All right, so I'll hold the top or Matthew, you hold the
I'll
top.
hold on to the top.
Okay, and then Kaylee. Now I think because sometimes this is thick, so we're gonna move 1 second, Matthew, and we're gonna go in
All right.
and scrape the sides, okay?
Mhm.
Because see how the flour is on the sides?
Yes.
Mhm.
We don't want to get all of that
See that. Mhm.
into our waffles, and we don't want to have any. Okay, so here you do it. Scrape the sides a little bit. Just scrape. Just make sure we got everything in. Okay, let Matthew do it too.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
I
scrape
will
all the
do it
sides. Go all the way.
gently.
Good. Oh, perfect, Matthew. You are a good cook.
Why, thank you, Miss Shantae
We're a
White.
chef,
and
I guess,
so
right?
are you and Keely.
Good
Okay,
job.
will you go down and stir it a little bit?
Absolutely.
Okay, and then shake it off a little bit, and we're gonna do it one more time, and then I think we're ready to start making the waffles.
Woohoo.
Absolutely.
Okay, you wanna do it one more time?
Mother, you hold up.
Sure. Hold on, Miss Shantae.
Okay, so we heated up the waffle iron, and I'm going to pour this in, right, the batter, and we also sprayed it with coconut oil, okay, and now we're gonna put it right in the center and like fill it up, and then let it cook, right? Okay, think that's good?
Yep,
Okay,
that looks good to me.
so how do they serve these things? Have you guys ever had chicken and waffles?
I did
You did?
because they taste really good, Miss Shantae.
It's good. And so, what do you serve it with? Do you like it with? What do you use?
Well, Miss Shantae, I serve it with maple syrup, but you can also use strawberry or blueberry in order to add the flavor.
Oh, you could, and with your chicken. Okay, so what's this?
That's Tabasco.
Well, you're gonna hold it, show it to the audience, because some people like it a little spicy,
Because Tabasco is a type of hot sauce that you can use on your food.
right? Yeah. So, do you put it on the chicken?
Yes, you
Ooh,
can.
Yum.
You can put Tabasco on the chicken, Miss Shantae.
Wow. Okay, I
But
bet
you
you
can
my
also
sister
put it
would
on
like
fish,
that.
too.
Oh, and also on fish. Okay, and Kaylee, what do you like? You like syrup and?
I like syrup, but sometimes I like I don't like syrup. I'm not a syrup person. I like peanut butter on waffles.
Okay, but we're doing chicken and
Peanut
waffles.
butter?
You can have peanut butter on your chicken
I mean, on chicken, you maybe use syrup
and butter.
and butter. It tastes so good.
Okay, well, I'm excited to have syrup and butter on my waffles, so, and I might try a little hot sauce. We also have the chicken cooking in the oven, heating up, because we said we bought a box of chicken to make it easier, right? I'm excited to eat this. Woo! What about you?
Yeah.
I'm super excited too.
Okay, it's ready. We're pouring some warm syrup on, right? I like-
Absolutely, Miss Shantae.
All right.
White.
Yum.
And this is how we made homemade chicken and waffles style, which is a southern style treat for your family and friends to eat. So, if you like Create the Cook and Talk, please subscribe to their channel, and also subscribe to my own channel, which is called Matthew White. So please
Okay.
follow us everywhere we go.
Okay.
Create, cook, and talk. Encourage learning while creating yum.
If you like our video, give us a thumbs up. If you have another recipe for next time,
Send it to us.
send it to me, my mom, for next time. Create, cook, and talk. Be safe, and you may do this if you're bored, or you may do this when you
Want some soul food?
show food.
Yeah. Talk to
Black
you later.
History Month.
Yeah, Black History Month. I'm
Right.
not sure if it showed up, but sometimes Matthew, or we said it in this video, I think we did, about Matthew calls us Shantae White and Kaylee White because we feel like we're all family, right?
Absolutely.
And even Matthew is sporting what today?
Keely's grandfather shirt because he passed away.
Right, but we're bringing him to the picture, right? To be part of us, and you wanted
Right.
to have him represented. So isn't that awesome, Matthew?
Yes, it is, Miss
Thank
Shantae
you.
White.
Yeah,
Thank you. All right, well, we just wanted to share, create, cook, and talk, encourage learning while creating yum, and we'll talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care.